give so much to us, we can give to them. I use fresh vegetables, or canned or frozen. I use peas, blueberries, sweet potatoes, carrots, green beans. Then I add rice. I use brown rice. And I put the whole eggs that I use down in the rice to cook them that way and crunch them up so they get shells and all. I add tuna or sardines in water. I add brown meat, poultry, red meat. You can use chunked up steak or roast. Anything that isn't seasoned. You don't want them to get salt and pepper, garlic powder, that sort of thing. And then, like I said, I use whole eggs. They get the shells and all. It's great for them. It's great for their skin. It's great for their joints. It's great for their weight and keeps them healthy and happy.